Hello, fellow artists. Today we're going to be diving into the fascinating world of drawing while exploring the epic story of the Garden of Eden. But what do these two seemingly unrelated things have in common? Well, stick around because we'll connect the dots in this video. Plus, we'll also discuss the importance of using the right erasers when drawing and reveal the best ones to use. Let's get started. Our story begins in the Garden of Eden, a paradise known in the Bible in Genesis chapter 2 for its lush beauty. But even in paradise, we all make mistakes, and today we're going to focus on Adam and Eve's journey of creation. Now, I'm not going to be able to cover everything here today because I want to give you at least a few tips within 3 to 5 minutes, okay? So make sure you check out heartforart.live if you're looking for step-by-step, free helpful art tips, reference images, as well as if you want to get your artwork on t-shirts, mugs, and more, you can go to heartforart.live, okay? Just as in drawing, where we occasionally make mistakes, Adam and Eve made an error by eating the forbidden fruit. So how does this relate to erasers? Well, in art, it's crucial to have the right tools to correct our mistakes. Let's talk about the best erasers to use for different situations. There are various erasers, each with its unique characteristics.
Hey guys, I know you're enjoying the lesson. Stop really quick, hit that subscribe button and the like button so we can continue to spread the gospel of Jesus Christ through the arts. Let's continue to spread the gospel through the arts through all of these videos. Share, subscribe, and like. All right, let's get back to the lessons.
For light, subtle corrections, consider a kneaded eraser, which is gentle on your paper. For more precision and removing small details, a vinyl eraser is perfect. And for heavier, darker lines or shading, a gum eraser is very useful. The key is to have a selection of these erasers in your toolkit so you're always prepared for any mistake. And if you want to look at more art tools and all of that, we're going to be adding that over to heartforart.live very soon, where you can get all of your drawing tools and all of that right over there. So please avail yourself to heartforart.live. Just as Adam and Eve tried to correct their mistake, using the right eraser can make a significant difference in your artwork. The right eraser can save you from tearing your paper or from leaving streak marks. It's an essential tool for every artist. In conclusion, whether you're creating the Garden of Eden on paper or creating any other masterpiece, remember the importance of using the right erasers. So, choose your erasers wisely and continue to create your own paradise on paper. Thank you again, guys, for joining us in this artistic and historical adventure. If you want to learn more about the story of the Garden of Eden and Adam and Eve, you can look in a Bible near you in Genesis chapter 2. Also, if you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a creative journey with us. Also, check out our Biblical Arts Museum, where we house over 150 different multicultural biblical characters and 20 plus African kings, and that's ABAMcenter.com. God bless, stay encouraged, and don't give up on God's calling for your life. Bye! God's calling for your life as a visual artist? Well, now you can. Zoe Hoffman's book entitled How to Get Answers Every Time You Pray for Visual Artists, which is inspired by Apostle Dr. Ludi L. Hoffman's book, How to Get Answers Every Time You Pray, The Power of Partnership, you will be guided through what needs to be done in order to properly stay in God's will for your life as an artist. Go online to www.abamcenter.com and order your copy today.